Hey everyone, welcome back to RV World, the place where tiny living, freedom on wheels, and smart travel come together. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because we bring you the best tours, tips, and stories from the RV and tiny home world every single week. Today, we've got something really exciting. We're touring 17 unique mini homes that redefine what it means to live small but live smart. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-timer, or just curious about the tiny home lifestyle, this episode is packed with inspiration. From ultra-modern to rustic charm, solar-powered to off-grid beasts, this lineup's got it all. Alright, buckle up. Let's dive in. 1. The Alpine Micro Cabin. We're starting off with a beauty nestled in the mountains, the Alpine Micro Cabin. This A-frame inspired mini home uses reclaimed wood and huge front windows to bring in the scenery. It's only 160 square feet, but between the fold-up bed and hidden storage compartments, it feels incredibly open. What's impressive here is the use of vertical space. There's a suspended loft that fits a queen-sized bed, and a compact fireplace keeps it warm in the winter. Imagine waking up to snow-covered pines outside your window. Yeah, this one sets the tone. 2. Ecopod Nomad. Next up, the Ecopod Nomad. This is a futuristic-looking tiny home with solar panels across its roof, a composting toilet, and greywater recycling. It's all about sustainability. The shell is made from recycled aluminum and hempcrete panels for insulation. Inside, bright, minimalist, and extremely functional. The bathroom doubles as a steam shower, and the kitchen has an induction cooktop, fridge, and folding bar table. It's the perfect off-grid warrior for eco-conscious travelers. 3. Timber Trail 200. Now, if you love a cabin in the woods vibe, check out the Timber Trail 200. This 200 square foot mini home is built with cedar siding and exposed beams. It features a cozy reading nook, a wood-burning stove, and antique hardware throughout. This one gives off serious cozy vibes. There's a front porch, a small hammock area, and inside, the use of natural light is amazing. Simple, earthy, and oh so inviting. 4. Wander Box Compact Edition. This is where rugged meets refined, the Wander Box Compact Edition. Think mini expedition vehicle turned luxury apartment. Built on a 4x4 chassis, this thing has high clearance suspension and rugged tires. Perfect for backcountry exploring, but once you're inside, it's luxury all the way. Italian fixtures, Bose surround sound, a hidden 4K projector, and a slide-out kitchen. It's truly the best of both worlds. 5. The Urban Sprout. For city dwellers dreaming of tiny living, the Urban Sprout delivers. This modern pod is designed for backyard installations or urban infill lots. Sleek white walls, modular seating, and a smart home system that controls everything: lighting, temperature, and even groceries. At just 120 square feet, it includes a Murphy bed, compact kitchenette, and a wet bath. It's clean, clever, and ideal for minimalist urbanites. 6. The Driftwood Den. If beach life is more your vibe, the Driftwood Den is a coastal mini home that embraces the sea breeze. It's a 180 square foot home with large French doors, pale wood finishes, and an open floor plan that brings the outside in. What makes this one stand out? A retractable deck and outdoor shower, plus solar roof tiles that keep your energy clean and quiet. 7. The classic Teardrop Trailer. Sometimes, simplicity is best. The classic Teardrop is a retro-inspired trailer that focuses on mobility and charm. The inside is just enough for a bed, small fan, and shelves. The rear opens up to reveal a kitchen with stove, sink, and cooler storage. It's compact, iconic, and perfect for weekend getaways. No frills, just the road and the essentials. 8. The Treehouse 240. Next up, the Treehouse 240. It's a raised, treehouse-inspired home on wheels with panoramic windows and a lot of greenery inside. The real gem here is the interior: bamboo finishes, biophilic design, and a loft that feels like it's floating. You get a sense of serenity walking in, like you're part of nature, not separate from it. And yet, it still has Wi-Fi and a hidden workstation for remote workers. 9. The Retro Rocket Camper. For all the vintage lovers out there, the Retro Rocket is your dream come true. It's styled like a 1960s diner, with red leatherette seating, chrome trim, checkerboard floors, and even a jukebox. Despite the throwback look, it's loaded with modern amenities, solar charging, a mini fridge, and LED lighting throughout. It's nostalgia meets today. 10. Eco Shell Geopod. This dome-shaped marvel is the Eco Shell Geopod. It's one of the most unique shapes on our list, a geodesic design that maximizes insulation and airflow. It's sturdy enough for wind, snow, and storms. Inside, the curved walls create a sense of openness. There's a skylight that lets you stargaze from bed, and a circular layout that makes it feel larger than it is. 11. The Mountain Fox 4x4 Camper. We had to include a hardcore adventure rig, and that's the Mountain Fox. This 4x4 camper fits on the back of a pickup, is fully insulated, and includes a pop-up sleeping area. Built for snow, mud, sand, you name it. Interior. Utilitarian but efficient. Stove, sink, bed, and dry storage. If you want to explore national parks, backcountry trails, or just live wildly free, this one's a go. 12. Lotus Zenen. Minimalism fans will love this one, the Lotus Zenen. It's a Japanese-inspired cube home with rice paper partitions, a sunken tea area, and ambient lighting that changes with the time of day. This one is a meditation pod and tiny home combined. You won't find clutter here. Just peace, simplicity, and style. 13. The Tiny Villa Lux. If you're not ready to give up luxury, the Tiny Villa Lux might win you over. Built with high-end materials, this 240-square-foot unit includes marble countertops, underfloor heating, a spa shower, and a Murphy bed that transforms into a dining table. This is tiny home living with zero compromise. Looks and feels like a 5-star hotel room on wheels. 14. The Solar Shell Skoolie. Ever thought of converting a school bus? Meet the Solar Shell. It's a full-size school bus turned solar-powered tiny home. Solar panels on top, composting toilet, rainwater catch system, it's self-sufficient and road-ready. The inside is super artistic, colorful murals, upcycled furniture, and lots of cozy nooks. It feels bohemian and grounded all at once. 15. The Prairie Pod. Think Little House on the Prairie, only modern. This rectangular, barn-style tiny home is all about rustic charm. Shiplap walls, barn doors, and a clawfoot tub. There's even a tiny loft library with a reading window. It runs off propane and solar, and it's perfect for farm stays or remote living in open country. 16. The Metro Mansion. This one's big for a mini. The Metro Mansion is a 300-square-foot unit with 2 slide-outs that expand the space when parked. You get a full-size fridge, dishwasher, and even a washer-dryer combo. There's a massive U-shaped couch that turns into a second bed, making it great for small families. Big city living or big road trip dreams, either works. 17. The Phoenix Feather. Let's finish strong with one of the most creative designs, the Phoenix Feather. This artist-designed mini-home features an asymmetrical roofline, stained glass windows, and a loft accessible by a spiral staircase. The name comes from its fireproof materials, magnesium panels, metal framing, and fire-retardant cladding. Beautiful, unique, and safe in wild terrain. And that wraps up our tour of 17 amazing mini homes. Whether you're dreaming of a mobile lifestyle, downsizing for peace of mind, or just love clever design, there's a tiny home out there for you. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you liked this tour, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe to RV World for more tours, travel tips, and all things tiny living. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep living large in small spaces. See you on the road.